Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
I haven't turned the bass up, haven't turned the bass knob up on the amp either.
Oh yeah? You still letting them break in? Brand new or?
Well, I had it for about a month, but I had to switch my radio. I'm having issues, so I haven't tuned up anything yet, and this is my first time.
All right.
I gotta find somebody
Yes,
to tune it for me.
Okay. So could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick, man?
My name's Sean. They call me Showtime.
All right.
I got two DS18 Hooligan 15s.
Okay. What is your power on them?
Right now I got a 13.5 Sundown, but it's only at I think 6K right now. So
is it wired to 2 ohm, or do you know what that ohm is?
No,
Not sure.
I want to say wired to 2 ohm.
Okay, 2 ohm. All right, nice. Do you know what's your electrical like? Your battery and alternator power?
I got 2 alternators, and I got C-Max battery.
Okay. All right.
I say 45.
Okay. Can I see the back?
Yeah.
Awesome, man.
Well, that's not in the back.
It's okay. I'll look in. I like your doors too.
Appreciate it.
They look good. I'm looking at it all. Nice. Is this a custom or a prefab box?
Custom.
Okay. Is there what? Oh, there we go. I like that, dude. Looks really good. And you got this mounted down so it don't slide at all.
So it don't slide, yeah.
There you go. Looks really good.
Appreciate it.
And this is for your doors?
That's for my doors. Then I got stuff. I got one up under each one for the outside.
Okay.
This right here is going to my to the Orions. That's just going to the Orions on the doors.
Yes, sir. Nice. Do you know how big the box is or the tuning at all?
No.
No, no worries. All right. I appreciate it, man. What was your name?
Sean.
Sean. All right, Sean JACOBVILE. Be sure to give Sean a like. He's still a work in progress, but it sounded good.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Oh yeah, I like that.
I haven't turned the bass up, haven't turned the bass knob up on the amp either.
Oh yeah? You still letting them break in? Brand new
Yeah.
or?
Well, I had it for about a month, but I had to switch my radio. I'm having issues, so I haven't tuned up anything yet. And this is my first time.
All right.
I gotta find
Yes,
somebody
sir.
to tune it for me.
Okay. Nice. I appreciate it, man. What was your name?
Sean.
Sean. All right, Sean Jacobaro. Be sure to give Sean a like. He's still a work in progress, but it sounded good. Yes, sir.